In part one, we all made our way to camp, cooked some supper, and did a little snoring. There's no place to stand. We'll crouch in here. Just gonna tie it off. There we go. See if there's anything in there. You never know. Got it. Finally got some sunshine. Good cast. There he is. Little fella. Chris had a great day on the water, catching and releasing over a dozen bass. After fishing a while, I went back and set up a couple of trail cams facing an active game area. With a nice campfire made, it was time to cook supper. Did yours have any eggs in it? Great.
Yeah. Yes, it did.
Yeah. I'm cooking mine.
You are?
Yeah. Smelled pretty good. Looks like the oil from the fair. Looks like the funnel cake shop. Cooked up a little supper here. Get some fried potatoes, fried fish, and some golden hush puppies. Nice piece of fish. That's some good fish, man, I'm telling you. And the tail. After dark, I went looking for a fawn I had seen earlier that day. I found it resting under some bushes. I left it alone.
They kept the whole underside of that thing warm.
camping. This is the first thing somebody says, "Did you sleep well?" Like a baby in a room full of carpenters. Absolutely not. It's okay. It's just part of the process. While I'm packing up the gear, I want to thank you for taking the time to hang out with Chris and Dean and myself. We had a great 2 days on this canoeing camp to a nice little isolated place. Not too isolated, I mean we're not far away from humanity at all, but I don't think anybody camps here. We had special permit to be in this particular area, and that's what I want you to do is follow the rules, do what you're supposed to, you know, take care of the land, and leave no trace. When we get through here, this place will look pretty much like it was when we came in, except a little more compact, probably. Had a great weekend, and hope you come back and join us next time. This is Mike from Mike's Wild World. See you then.
Well, I got some fish guts and a fish head. That's it.
Well, how'd that fish head get in there? Wow. Man, he must have cut himself awful bad trying to get in there. It appears they call it a can of cat food. June bean infused ground coffee. Pretty good.
Like and subscribe if you can, and leave a comment. It's a wild world, so get out there, and thanks for watching.